So a quick video today about some new filters from Freewell that come in a snazzy Indiana Jones style case. That's not the selling point here. Their selling point is that they're not magnetic, which doesn't sound that exciting, but they're also not screw-on filters. They're something a little bit different. So this is the Freewell locking hybrid variable neutral density / circular polarizing filter set. It's very much a mouthful, but it's really interesting because variable ND filters have a downside. They're made of two polarizing filters, and you can typically only rotate the front of the two, which means you can't affect the polarization effect of the rear filter. Now on this you can, because you can rotate the rear one. It clamps on with these squeezy clamps onto an adapter ring, and it sits there nice and tight. In fact, it's got an awful lot of clamping power on the variable ND, which is very nice to have. But if you want to adjust the positioning of the rear polarizer, well, you can squeeze the clamps and you can rotate it around. And you can rotate the front part as well for your variable ND effect. Very, very nice. And it comes with a couple of extras as well. In the box came an ND32 filter which clips onto the front, so I've not quite nailed exactly which way around it goes every time yet, but it attaches like so, and it seems to have a nice secure fit too. That's nice. It also includes a rear cap with a neutral grey, black and white, which goes on the underside of the filter when you take it off. That's nice to have. I always like having something to colour to white balance off of. Always useful to have that on more things. And this includes a front cap as well, which for some reason says NFC on it. I should probably have read the manual. I'm not sure what that does. Maybe it's to get the manual. Anyway, nice thing to have, because your current lens caps won't fit anymore, obviously, because they're bigger than the lens. I had a second package in the package, a smaller box that included just this, a quarter strength mist filter. This is nice to have. I like a mist filter. Don't use them all the time because I'm not making cinema here, but it's going to be difficult to attach other filters in the system because you're going to have to attach them between the lens and the adapter ring. So it's nice to have that as an option in this system. I'm assuming they'll be bringing out more filters over time that fit into this system. I think it's a really nice attachment system, and I'm sure it's going to be pretty successful for them. I like being able to control the polarization effect when using a VND. I've had a few situations where I've ended up with like a really dark sky when filming with the quite strong polarization effect on my phone. Having something like this makes it just much more controllable. You've got that option of avoiding it. So, quick example with this oak tree, you can see a lot of reflected light on the leaves, and if I push in the clamps and rotate the rear filter, we can remove that and get much better colour contrast. This is using the full filter stack. This is using the ND32 and the mist filter as well. I don't think it's the only one on the market. I think Nissi might do one as well. I vaguely recall seeing that. And I'll put a link to a video by Philip Bloom about why you would want a filter like this, because I think his video does a way better job of explaining it than I do, and he's always worth a watch anyway. There'll be an affiliate link down below as per usual. Let me know your thoughts and any questions down in the comments below. Thank you very much for watching. I'll catch you next time.